If you've been running on empty, feeling overwhelmed, or fighting thoughts that drag you down, let this be your reminder. Your brain is not broken. It's exhausted, and exhaustion can be healed. Here's the science every woman needs to know. Your brain is constantly rewiring itself. Neuroscience calls this neuroplasticity, and it means your brain forms new connections with every repeated thought, action, and emotional experience. When you've been in a dark place for a long time, your brain builds pathways that make negative thinking feel automatic, not because you're broken, but because your brain has simply practiced those thoughts the most. Negative thoughts aren't character flaws. They're simply well-worn neural pathways. High stress and chronic worry make them stronger because your brain thinks it's protecting you. But just like those pathways were built, they can be unbuilt. So the way out isn't forcing yourself to be positive. It's gently teaching your brain a new pattern. Start small. When a negative thought comes up, I'm failure, nothing will change. What's the point? Don't fight it. Just label it. This is an old pathway. The moment you name it, you weaken its emotional power. That's psychology 911. Awareness interrupts the cycle. When you say, I can handle this, instead of I'm failing, your brain fires new neurons. When you pause to breathe instead of yelling, your nervous system shifts from fight or flight into safety. When you choose rest instead of pushing through, your brain produces more serotonin and dopamine, chemicals that rebuild motivation and joy. One small thought, repeated, becomes a belief. One small action, repeated, becomes strength. The science is clear. Your brain adapts to the world you create inside it. And here's the part people forget. You don't heal by force. You heal by repetition. Small, consistent acts that tell your brain, we are moving forward. So today, try this. Catch the old thought. Name it. Replace it with a gentler one. Move your body for a few minutes. Give yourself one tiny win. This is how the brain rewires. This is how light gets back in. And even if you don't feel it yet, your brain is already changing.